What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the best DJI drone on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. DJI Avida. Looking to take your drone experience to new heights? Look no further than the DJI Avida. Packed with cutting-edge features, this first-person view drone UAV quadcopter delivers an unparalleled flying experience. Let's dive into what makes the DJI Avida a game-changer for drone enthusiasts. Total immersion and intuitive control. With the DJI Avida Fly Smart Combo, flight becomes an immersive and intuitive experience. Pair it with the included DJI FPV goggles V2 and motion controller, and you'll find yourself fully immersed in the action. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a beginner, the Avida's intuitive controls make flying a breeze. Effortless flight control. Say goodbye to complicated controls. The DJI motion controller puts flight control right in the palm of your hand. With a simple squeeze of the trigger or a flick of the wrist, you can navigate the skies with ease. It's never been easier to capture stunning aerial footage. Crisp 4K stabilized video. Capture every moment in stunning detail with the Avida's ultra-smooth 4K camera. Featuring a 1/1.7-inch sensor and a super-wide 155 degrees field of view, the Avida delivers breathtaking imagery with flagship stabilization technology. Number 4. DJI Mini 3. Are you ready to elevate your aerial photography game? Look no further than the DJI Mini 3. Packed with cutting-edge features and boasting a compact design, this lightweight mini drone is the perfect companion for all your adventures. Compact and lightweight design. Weighing under 249 g, the DJI Mini 3 is incredibly lightweight and portable. Whether you're embarking on a hike, road trip, or beach day, this drone is designed to accompany you on all your escapades. Say goodbye to bulky equipment and hello to effortless portability. Extended battery life for endless exploration. With an impressive 38-minute flight time, the DJI Mini 3 ensures you can capture every moment of your journey without interruption. Say goodbye to battery anxiety and hello to extended adventures. Number 3. DJI Air 3. Looking for a drone that combines cutting-edge technology with unparalleled performance? Meet the DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo. Packed with innovative features and designed to elevate your photography game, this drone is a game-changer for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Dual cameras for creative freedom. The DJI Air 3's dual cameras offer unmatched versatility, allowing you to capture stunning images from various focal lengths. Whether you're exploring breathtaking landscapes or documenting urban adventures, these cameras empower you to tell captivating stories through your lens. FAA Remote ID compliance for peace of mind. Rest assured knowing that the DJI Air 3 complies with FAA Remote ID regulations. With the FAA Remote ID compliant feature, you can fly with confidence while adhering to regulatory requirements. Stay informed and fly responsibly with the DJI Air 3. Number 2. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Are you ready to elevate your aerial photography game to new heights? Look no further than the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Packed with cutting-edge features and boasting unparalleled performance, this flagship triple-camera drone is a game-changer for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Hasselblad main camera for stunning imagery. Equipped with a Hasselblad 4/3 CMOS sensor, the Mavic 3 Pro delivers breathtaking imagery with unrivaled clarity and detail. With a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops and support for shooting raw photos, this drone ensures your footage stands out from the crowd. Whether you're capturing landscapes or portraits, the Mavic 3 Pro delivers professional-grade results every time. FAA Remote ID compliance for peace of mind. Rest assured knowing that the DJI Mavic 3 Pro complies with FAA Remote ID regulations. Fly with confidence while adhering to regulatory requirements, ensuring a safe and responsible flying experience. Stay informed and fly with peace of mind with the Mavic 3 Pro. Advanced obstacle sensing for enhanced safety. Navigate with confidence thanks to the Mavic 3 Pro's omnidirectional obstacle sensing system and APAS 5.0 technology. With 8 vision sensors and a vision computing engine, this drone can detect and avoid obstacles in all directions. Number 1.
DJI Mini 4 Pro.
Introducing the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the ultimate folding mini drone designed to ignite your passion for aerial photography and exploration. Packed with innovative features and cutting-edge technology, this compact powerhouse redefines what's possible in the world of drone photography. Ultra-lightweight and registration-free. Weighing under 249 g. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.